Run this wire into this pipe, but first we're going to suck this bag connected to this string here, put a vacuum. I'm going to tuck this into this hole, alright, and then we're going to, the string is tied to it, okay, going to this spool, and then we're going to come over here with the shop vac. Alright, it's going in. I'm going to take the shop vac. I'm going to put this tube in here. And we're all tied up. Alright, now this in here is going to create vacuum. It's going to suck that bag all the way to this pipe. That's what you're going to be learning. Because to run this wire quick and easy.
How does that wire in there?
Vacuum's on. Alright, you can hear it going. Next will be the bag. Here we're going to cut off the end there. Alright. Alright, here it goes down the hatch. Down the hatch. There we go. Ready? Needs a little more resistance, it looks like.
Too much.
Too much? Alright. We're gonna have to readjust. Alright, look, it's in the pipe. Now it's gonna go. You missed the entry. Okay, watch how this goes. Alright, this is what we're dealing with on the string. Just a little bit. There we go. Down the hatch. Bam! You gotta work it back and forth. We gotta turn, we gotta get it through here. It's going now. It's going now. Look at that. There she blows. Down the hatch. This is Joe MacGyver doing his MacGyvering. I've never seen this. I can't take credit for none of this. This is all Joe. Alright, we're at another bend at the other end.
I think it's...
Alright, now let's go check. Let's see if it's at the other side. Let's see if we're where we want to be. Alright, proof's in the pudding. Here we are. There we are. No. It's gonna probably need it on. Alright. Maybe. Not quite. Well, it doesn't help. Turn it off and back on. Because the ball dropped. Alright.
You gotta let it out on it.
Alright, we're still working it. Okay? Did it work? Did it work? Celebrate good times. Come on! We did it. It's a celebration. Here it is. So we just traveled. Now here we are at the battery room. Okay? We're here at the battery room. Alright, for the solar. And here we are out the pipe. Alright? Shop vac. And this is just a small shop vac. You didn't take anything special. Okay? But we traveled all the way over here from the solar panels. Alright? And you do not want to use yarn, guys. Do not use yarn. Use that construction nylon string. Alright, so we've gone from here all the way over here to the battery room. There's the wind generator turbine. All right. It looks like it's in slow motion all the way over to here. All right. So, like, subscribe, share. You might want to check out Joe MacGyver's channel. You never know what you're going to get. Bye for now. And never give up, because there's always a way, always.